How to fix Roblox stuck in loading screen. The first thing you gotta do if you can't really do anything on your Roblox app, which is it's currently stuck in the loading screen, all you have to do is just simply go to your Windows and type in Task Manager. And from here, if your current Roblox app is running, for example, this one, all you have to do is right click and then End Task. And then under startup, all you have to do is just simply type in and then disable it. Second troubleshooting step is to check if there is available Windows update. To do that, go back to your Windows icon again and type Windows Update. Click on check for updates. Then all you have to do is press on check for updates. If there is multiple updates that you need to run, then you'll have to update your PC first. Now, next troubleshooting step is make sure that you run your Roblox app as an administrator. To do that, just simply go to your Windows icon again, right click on Roblox player, and then click run as an administrator. Now, next troubleshooting step is go back to the Windows icon again and type in CMD, hit enter, and then once this page pops out, all you have to do is type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and then hit enter. Now, if the issue still persists, all you have to do is to check the optimizations of your Roblox folders or Roblox softwares. To do that, just hit Windows again and then type Roblox. Now under Roblox player, just right click on it and then click open file location. From here, do the same process. Right click on Roblox player and then click properties and then go to details right here. So once everything is set, you go ahead to compatibility and make sure that disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as an admin. Make sure these two options right here is checked. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix Roblox stuck in loading screen.